It's 7:20. It's 56 degrees, and Francine and I are just heading out of Zubiri. It's misting enough for me to want to put a poncho on. I don't want my stuff getting wet.
Oh, look at the rain. Oh, never mind. I don't put my pack.
So from here, we're going to head out to the trail, which is past the river, and I only know that because of the Wise Pilgrim app just showed me. Oui. We're outside a refinery in Zubiri, and Francine and I are getting our shit together because I got hot. My poncho's wet on the inside and the outside. It's just from, what do you call it, sweating or whatever. But yeah, we're heading we're heading on our way to Pamplona. Come on along.
They look nice. They look clean. Huh?
Yeah.
They shave magazine. Oh my goodness, you would not believe.
Francine and I have walked, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 kilometers from Zubiri, and have not found coffee yet. I'm getting, you know that feeling you get. We're gonna stop and get coffee because we're all getting a little hangry. There's my friend Elizabeth from Scotland right there.
Hola.
Yeah.
Okay.
Coffee?
Thanks.
Thank you. Vale.
Free coffee. This is the best looking thing I've seen all day.
It's done.
Yeah.
This one we're done.
Marswana. Zurain is next.
Next.
So 2.5 kilometers to Zurain. Maybe
And
we'll
this
get some
one, they said
breakfast.
10 kilometers to go here.
Okay.
Oh.
Road is really slippery, so we're on a side road. What? I'm coming. She just said, oh my goodness. Oh, you know what she's saying? Look at this downhill.
Why they don't give us on the street instead? We would not go up. You know?
Bastards! No, we're good. Okay. Okay, well, we just stopped at this beautiful spot. Francine is talking to a chick back there, and this girl right behind me, I forget her name, but she's staying in the same place I am, so I said I'll see you down the road. Francine will catch up to me, but I just wanted to show you this beautiful forest we're walking in. I mean, come on! This is awesome! Look at this river! I'm just following a river! Yeah!
I hope that there's a nice one up here.
Yeah. There's Francine. We stopped to take a picture and listen to the water. We told Francine to jump in the water so we can get a good picture, but she said no way. Okay. We've been going 2 hours and 33 minutes. We've only gone 8 kilometers. Our average pace is about 18 minutes per kilometer, 3 minutes slower than I budgeted. But it's okay, because look where we're walking. It's freaking gorgeous. And I are here in this wonderful green forest. Oh my God. It's not raining and the sun's out. I'll talk to you later. Watch what happens when you eat berries and then take a swig of water and spit it out. Okay, we just got to Zubiri. There's a line going out the door. And what are you gonna do? I mean, what are you gonna do?
Maybe I need to put oh, I see. I think I don't feel to do. I think orange juice. I would like orange.
Oh my God. Well, we just had coffee and a tortilla, and Francine and I are headed out. We got 10K to go to Pamplona, probably another 2 hours of walking, 2.5, maybe 3. Francine said that I was stepping on my pants at the bottom because I think they're
Too big.
yeah, they're getting too big. And so look at here. They're the kind that you can zip off and make shorts out of. So this is the first time I've been able to walk in shorts. First time I've been able to wear my hat. Oh, hello, baby.
You know, we should use this one. There's a toilet, everything.
Really, really big hill. Francine's there in the blue. And I'm not sure where we are. Is it rain? I'm not sure. Here comes Francine. You got this, girl. Give her love right there. She dropped her stuff off right here, and she's gonna go help her friend.
Oh my God. Wow,
She's like, give me something. Give me your backpack.
Yes,
And I'm gonna just film it.
she's nice.
Oh my God.
Oh, it was a tough one, this one.
Yes.
Very tough. A big picture. It's a nice one.
Wow. We have about 7 kilometers to go to Pamplona. Francine and I are looking for water, so we've come to this park. I told her I could smell water because I was part Apache.
Look, the trees. It's almost fall.
Okay, Francine and I are about 2 kilometers outside of Pamplona. It's cooling down. We're tired, my feet hurt. And but all in all, much better temperature to walk in. Much better weather. See, just outside of Pamplona. Okay, go for it.
Muy bien.